that we have our canned green beans drained or frozen or fresh green beans cooked, we're going to start assembling our casserole. Now, if you're going to use canned green beans, you want 2 cans of green beans. Each of these cans are 14.5 ounces. So taking out the liquid, you're probably going to end up with about a pound of green beans. You're just going to put them in the casserole dish. And remember, these are the first things that are going into the casserole dish. The other ingredients that we'll be adding later will be mixed into the green beans, but it's important to get these in first. Otherwise, the other ingredients could stay towards the bottom of the casserole and you're not going to get things mixed in as well. So you can see this size casserole dish. That's about 2/3, a little bit more than half full. So that's a good size for casserole because you don't want it to be overflowing and you want plenty of room for the other ingredients to be inside.